Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I'm gonna play with Gelli plate a little bit longer. I found a few things that I want to do, and I figured I will come on here and do it. If you saw my previous video with the Gelli plate, you'll know that what I'm gonna do. If not, then I will link it down below, and at the end of this video for you to go check it out. I love playing with the Gelli plate. I love making backgrounds for mixed media. And so I made this background for my canvas. And it's just playing with all the different colors and textures and that kind of thing. And I discovered that I can use my treasure gold on here. So I'm going to do a couple passes with these different treasure golds that I have. These are new out. This is green gold. This is purple topaz. This is copper. This is out now, as well as, I use this all the time, gold. So I'm going to play a little bit and on some paper and see what we can come up with. So I love the Gelli plate. I love the Gelli plate. You can see I have some little dried bits and pieces. I love it. And we are gonna go in with some color to start. I'm going to go in with some green. And I'm just going to put some green down first. And I'm going to squish it around, rub it around. I was going to do this as a just a speed through with music. But then I thought, you know what, it's not going to be that long. Not that it's going to be that long, but you know what I mean. Like these are going to just make some beautiful, beautiful prints. Okay. So that's where I'm starting. And I'm going to go in with some of these stamps. And I always say, just bop it off. Bop it. You don't have to go in straight. You can go in half of it. You can do a twirl if you want. Look at that. She's fancy. We'll go in with, again, one second, just okay, just a little bit. I'll do a little fanciness there. And then I'm gonna wait a second. I'm gonna go, I should have got the fan. Like I said, I use my heat gun very quickly just to get some of those patterns set in because I don't want them necessarily lifting or, you know, doing the things. So now, how about some purple? We'll go in with a lavender. This color was one of my favorites, Happy Green. We'll go in with some lavender. And I just like to do ploops. I don't need it to be so covered. I hate wasting, and a lot of the times it just gets wasted. So very lightly. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Because we're making another layer. And if some of that green spills, I'm okay if it peels up because it makes it look fantabulous. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to wipe this right here. You don't need to see all that. And now I'm going to go in with, to lift off some of that purple, bubble wrap. Because this is cheap, free, and easy. And that's all that I'm about. In more ways than one. So just very easy. And always, like I said, you can go plop this on something else to make a print if you want. Okay. And what else do I want to use? What other color are we thinking here? How about a little red? Red, for some reason, when it's distressed, it always makes me think of peeled paint. I'm going to do red. I'm not going to dry that layer rather. I'm just going to very lightly go in like this. I'm barely barely doing it. Cover those parts, especially that are thick, that maybe don't have any prints on them. And you don't have to go, again, you don't have to go boom. Do you know what I mean? Where everything's so covered. Let's do, oh, let's do a stiff brush. Just to make some extra marks. Okay. Look at me. Look at me go. Look at me. What is she doing? She's crazy. She's using a brush. Ooh, okay. Now my favorite part. I'm going to go in. So, I'm going to go in with a piece of paper first. And what I'm going to do is lift half. Let's see what this does. Just give it a smear. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Is that not fantastic? But now what I'm going to do is take the rest of this. I'm going to roll it down so whatever is wet is down there. Okay. Now I'm going to take some of my Treasure Gold in, what is it? Purple Topaz. Oh, you know what? Okay, I know what I'll do next. And I'm going to just the littlest bit. You don't need much of this to start. Go in, roll it all over everything. Get those edges because that's where all the good gunk is, as I say. And I'm not gonna lift anything off of there. I'm going to take a full piece of paper. This is just my scrap paper backgrounds. Okay. And I'm going in like this. And I'm going to really rock and roll to really get a good connection. And lift it up. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. And look at that green and all. So now I know what I'm going to do. Now we're going to do a little bit different. But look, see how you get those little bits and pieces? So look at this. This is just a background in itself. Delightful. But we got all this. So I'm going to go more in more with the happy green. And I'm not going to spread it everywhere. I'm just going to kind of do like this. Okay. Just like that. And then let's do, we'll just take our flower. Again, you don't need perfection in the printing, right? And you see, I'm printing it here because it's wet on here. I'm just doing it everywhere. You'll see why. Okay, I think we're good. Okay. Switch that off there. Oh, what color do we want to use? Let's do the green. I'm gonna give her a good, or do I want to do gold? I bet you gold. So this is the fun of it, is that you can just sit. Okay. So I'm gonna pour a little of my gold. Again, you don't need too much. I'm gonna do it in a couple places, just kind of like dribble. So especially those clear places of the plate, right? Where there's just a little bit, because that's where the gold's going to really shine through like a diamond. All right. Okay, now we're going in very lightly. I don't care if it's all even or not. I just want it to do its thing, y'all. Do its thing. Okay. If I throw a little bit of the green, just a little bit. Come on. Oh, this is so exciting in my life. I need to, okay. Let's just roll some of that in. Doesn't have to be, just so it peeps through. Okay. Let's do some paper, shall we? Okay. Ready? Let's go. Oh, you know. Okay, I'm going to see if my camera will finish this out because I'm so frustrated. It keeps messing up and oh gosh. So let's see. Okay, let me just show you the print that I had pulled. Look at that, how gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm going to do a couple more and then I will end it. You're going to hear my daughter in the background because poor baby is sick. And she's going to be coughing a little bit. So I do apologize. I have a house full today. Dogs. My dog got fixed yesterday and I was worried about her all day. And Emily was sick. And now today she's worse. And she has a party that she has to be part of the host at work. And oh, I feel so bad. She can't get out of it, so what are you going to do? This is one of those faux wood. Like it makes it look like you have like wood knots. Oh! I'm just putting a few, just some stuff. I don't know if Plaid still sells these or not, so we're just gonna do like that. And then of course do another color. Oh, I do dig this though. I'm gonna be using this a lot. I had it sitting here and just was not using it. All right, so I'm gonna real quick do a thing. And I'm starting light because I want like more of the base to come through so it shows like some of the shine. Let me go a little red so that way if it mixes we'll get a little orange. And again, you don't have to go everywhere. You can, you don't have to. And do you see how that still stays? Like you can still see that it's like almost transparent. Okay. And I like it like that. I like it a bit spotty. Okay. I did like the way this, I'm going to make a bunch more of these. Let me know if you want those on me to film making those. I can't speak. Okay. Let's get a couple pieces of paper. And let's do another. Tell you what, I am such a sucker for letters. I don't know why, and I don't need them to be the right way, you know? Okay, I'm going to lift this off. Okay, starting the paper, Gonna lift it, gonna lift it. I mean, look how cool that is. Okay, so I like this because that's where like the gold's gonna come up. And I'm gonna do I want the green? Do I want the, you know, I am a purple freak. I love the purple. So I'm gonna go in with the purple topaz. And I'm just gonna do little drizzles. I don't want to do too much. Okay. Put that on there. Go in and roll it. Roll it. Now you can use your metallic paint, obviously. I just got these and I was like, oh, because I love using them with my clay. Okay, let's get a piece of paper and let's see what we get. I'm going in and pushing it hard. Let's see. I'm going to really push around those edges because I want all that crud to come up. Because I do like me some crud. Yeah. Look at that. Do you see how that purple... Oh, gosh. The camera's not even doing it justice. But like and we even have some white. But it's coming through. That is a beautiful piece of paper. Oh, that's everything. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I got these extra little pieces. Let's see what happens with these. See, like this, everything. That, everything. Those little pieces that I'm going to leave this. I don't want to take all this off because I do enjoy. Look at that. It's crackled on its own. Oh, okay. So let me just show you with these. I mean, look at this. That is gorgeous. Look at this. You get all those beautiful layers. Gorgeous. And then this. Gorgeous. So I really had a blast playing with all these. I have so many. I mean, I have quite a few pages. Look. That's with the copper. I mean, it's just gorgeous what you could do. And like I said, your regular pages, everything that you want to make mixed media backgrounds on a canvas. You want to do, oh gosh, so much fun. So I had fun. I just wanted to start this and show you guys with these beautiful, beautiful treasure golds. Like I said, I love using them on my pieces for art and for resin and clay and that kind of stuff. And I have a video coming up about that. But I just wanted to kind of show you guys about this too. So if you're interested, my husband put up his next video, Dave Paints a Bison. I will link that down below at the end of the video. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I hope you enjoyed this. Remember, the video before this is me doing jelly printing on a canvas, if you've not already seen it. And let me know what you guys think. I will see you in my next video. Be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Can't remember if I said that. I love you guys. See you later. Bye-bye.